In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block any website on your iPhone in iOS 26. This method works across Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and most other browsers installed on your device. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Screen Time. If you haven't already set up Screen Time, scroll down and tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Create a Screen Time passcode that only you know. This should be different from your regular iPhone passcode, since it prevents others from changing your restrictions. Once that's done, go back and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions at the top if it's currently disabled. Next, tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Scroll down and select Web Content. If web content is set to unrestricted access, all websites can be visited normally. To block specific websites, choose Limit Adult Websites. Now scroll down to the Never Allow section and tap Add Website. Enter the website address you want to block and save it. You can repeat this process for as many websites as you'd like. Once added, those websites will be blocked across Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other supported browsers on the iPhone. This is a great way to set up parental controls, improve productivity, or restrict access to unwanted websites. And that's how to block any website on an iPhone using Screen Time in iOS 26.